Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a wreath using a Dollar Tree sign. I also purchased the ornament balls from the Dollar Tree as well. And these are the supplies I'm working with. Okay, I'm going to start by prepping my wreath frame. I use 18 pipe cleaners and I do 3 in each section. And I wrap them around 2 of the bars to make them extra secure. This way they don't move around. Next, I'm going to prep my decorative mesh. I start with a straight edge and I'm going to cut 10-inch pieces. I am working with a 9-foot decorative mesh roll that I purchased from Walmart. It is 18 inches by 9 feet. I am going to cut 18 of these 10-inch pieces. Now I'm going to add my decorative mesh pieces to the wreath frame. I just walk my fingers down the middle and I just use the pipe cleaners that I already added and secure them to the frame. This does give it a very rustic look because of the fraying from the burlap, and I just keep going. I really enjoyed the end result. Next, I'm going to heat up my glue gun and work on my sign. There was 2 pre-drilled holes at the top, so I just put the pipe cleaners through that, and then I realized I had not turned my glue gun on, so now I'm waiting on that. So I'm going to go ahead and work on my ribbon tails. I have this beautiful owl ribbon I purchased from Walmart, and then I have 2 more ribbons. One is a solid gold and then the other one is kind of white with gold accent to it. And I do cut my ribbon tails at 14 inches a piece, and I'm going to do that with all of my ribbons, and then I'm going to dovetail them. I am going to alternate the gold with the white that has the gold accent, but I do have 18 pieces of the owl. Now that I have all of my ribbon tails prepped and ready to go, I'm going to work on that sign. I'm going to glue down 2 cable mounts at the bottom of the sign and slide some pipe cleaners through, and I'm going to put that to the side and let it set up. Now I'm going to add my ribbon tails. I do alternate. I'm using the owl ribbon for every pipe cleaner, but I do alternate the white with the gold every other pipe cleaner. As I'm adding my ribbon tails, I do fan them out in kind of a crisscross or an X design. I do fluff them as I go. This wreath to me is going to turn out very kind of farmhouse glam. Y'all let me know what you think in the comments below. Now it's time to work on that sign. I take the pipe cleaners and feed them through the wreath until I get to the base, the frame of the wreath, and I'm just going to twist tie it off on the back. You want the sign to kind of float above the wreath. You do not want to smash it down. Next, I'm going to add my decorative ornament balls, and I do use the pipe cleaners that are already there to secure them to the wreath. Now it's time to work on my bow. I'm going to clean up my workstation, and I'm going to do 2 loops of the owl ribbon, and then I'm going to do 4 loops of the white with the gold accent, and then 2 loops of the gold, and then I'm going to finish it off with the owl ribbon, 2 loops of that. Now I'm going to trim up my ribbon tails. I dovetail them. I add a zip tie to my bow. Before I zip tie that bow all the way down, I put a pipe cleaner in the back. This way I have a way of attaching it to the wreath. This is my completed project. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.